Hello, my lovely people. Welcome to Tamani Delicacy. So we have our olive oil here and our onions. Let them get ready. I have cut my beef Viennas into small pieces. So I'm going to just warm them. So guys, let me show you something else, because I'm having this recipe with rice. So you can see my rice water is ready. So let me add my rice. So my lovely people, I know Viennas are usually ready, but I like to make them a bit crunchy. Hello, my lovely people. Welcome to Tamani Delicacy. If you're new here, welcome. If you are a subscriber, you are also welcome again. So today, another day, another recipe. We have our pan and we have oil here. So first, I'd like to show you this first. These are beef Viennas. I'm going to cut them into pieces. Let's switch on our gas. Hope you guys are all doing well. How are you guys? Hope all of you are doing well. Wherever you're watching me from, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So now this is the way I like them to be. They turn a bit brown. Then I remove them. So you just pan fry them a little just to become more brown. So that's the way they are. And then there's some, and then I'm going to add onions, a little bit of onions. As I think for most of my videos, you know that my food, I don't use a lot of onions. And honestly, you know, everybody has his or her own way of cooking. I don't know why I don't like onions, but it is what it is. So those are our onions. While our rice is also getting ready, so I'm going to add my minced garlic and ginger. Garlic, ginger, and some pili, which is optional. I'm going to add my tomatoes. Then I'm going to add tomato paste. So guys, that is my rice. So in my rice, I added mixed herbs. In the mixed herb, there is basil, oregano, a mixture of basil, oregano, rosemary, parsley. So that's our rice. Let it cook. So guys, I've added some tomato paste. I'm going to add some few turmeric powder. Then I'm going to add what is this? White pepper. Why is this not coming out? White pepper. Then I'm going to add some paprika. And what? That is it. So that's it. We're going to cover and let it cook. Then we add some water. Then we are going to cover for the tomatoes to get ready. That's it. So guys, this is my tomatoes. I tell you, the tomatoes that I get here, usually they don't get ready quickly. So that is our mixture. While our rice is also getting ready. So now we are going to add our beef Vienna there. Since they're already cooked, we're going to cover and leave them for some time. So that's the way they are. Cover. So guys, our rice is there. As you can see, it's almost ready. Guys, our rice is ready. The rice is ready. So guys, that's our recipe of the day. Please like, subscribe and share. Tell me what you think about this recipe. That is ready, guys. Ready is ready. So this is our recipe of the day. Please like, subscribe and share. Tell me what you think. Let's interact in the comment section. Lovely people, welcome to Thamani Delicacy. So on our recipe today we have our beef Vienna stew, spicy chili beef Vienna stew, and mixed herbs rice recipe. A very great and simple recipe. Please check out my long form video for